Add Coke to boiling milk and you'll be amazed by the result. In a large pot, start by adding 2 liters of milk. Turn on the heat to medium, add 1 teaspoon of salt, stir to incorporate the salt, and bring it to a boil. When that happens, pour in 500 milliliters of room temperature Coca-Cola, the juice of 1 lemon, and mix everything well until the mixture curdles. This is the right consistency. Now remove the curds with a slotted spoon and transfer it to a container by passing it through a strainer. Press down firmly. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 3 hours. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. When this time has passed, into a medium bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 whole egg, 200 milliliters of room temperature milk, and beat everything well until smooth and well combined. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. When that happens, dip 2 slices of bread into this mixture and toast them until golden brown in a large skillet over medium to low heat, greased with vegetable oil. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. Serve these toasts with the cheese we prepared. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.